In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Omnisend to set up automated SMS campaigns for your online store. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley Roberts, and if you're running a Shopify store and you're only using email to follow up with customers, you're probably leaving sales on the table. SMS is fast, personal, and gets seen way more often than email, but most brands don't know how to do it right, and that's where Omnisend comes in. I'm going to show you how to get set up, how to write messages that people actually respond to, and how to automate it so it runs in the background while you focus on everything else. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Omnisend? Omnisend is known for email automation, but what a lot of people don't realize is that it actually has a full-featured SMS marketing system built in, and it's fully integrated with Shopify. That means you can send automated text messages based on customer behavior, things like cart abandonment, order confirmation, welcome sequences, and even promotional campaigns tied to Shopify events. You can personalize messages with customer names, order data, and product info. You can even combine email and SMS in the same workflow, which gives your automation a way more natural human touch. Best of all, it's beginner friendly. You don't need to know code, and you don't need a separate SMS platform. It's all right inside Omnisend. So before we dive into how to get this all set up, let's talk about why SMS works so well and what you need to know before starting. First, people actually see their texts. SMS has a 98% open rate, which is way higher than email, but it's also more intimate, so you have to be careful not to overdo it. If your messages feel spammy or too frequent, people will opt out very quickly. That's why automation is key. Instead of blasting one message to everyone, you use Omnisend to send the right messages to the right person based on what they've done in your store. You also need to stay compliant. In the US, customers must explicitly opt in to receive marketing texts. That usually means checking a box during checkout or submitting a phone number through a pop-up with clear language. Omnisend automatically handles compliance when you use their pop-up tools or Shopify's opt-in methods, but it's good to know the basics. You always want to include unsubscribe options and don't send messages outside of reasonable hours. Now, before we dive into the walkthrough, let's talk about some of the key features of Omnisend SMS. This is going to help you understand why it's different from using a separate SMS tool or trying to do everything manually. Number one is the Shopify integration that just works. Omnisend connects directly to your Shopify store, which means you can trigger text messages based on what your customer actually does, like abandoning a cart, placing an order, or signing up through a form. You don't need to do any weird Zapier workarounds or import contact lists. Everything syncs automatically. Number two is email and SMS in the same workflow. One of the best parts about Omnisend is that you can combine email and SMS into the same automation flow. That means you don't have to choose between them. You can send an email, wait a delay, and then follow up with a text to anyone who didn't open. It's super intuitive and it helps you get more out of every campaign. Number three is smart segmentation and targeting. So you can segment your contacts based on behavior like past purchases, clicks, time since last activity, or whether they've opted into SMS. This lets you avoid blasting everyone and instead target only the people who are most likely to convert. Number four is pre-built templates for e-commerce. Omnisend has ready-made workflows for abandoned cart, post-purchase follow-ups, birthday messages, and welcome sequences. And every one of them can include SMS. You don't have to start from scratch or guess what to say, just tweak the templates and go. Number five is built-in compliance tools. Text message marketing comes with rules, especially around opt-ins and unsubscribes. Omnisend automatically handles a lot of this for you, including quiet hours so you don't message people at 2 a.m., easy unsubscribe links, and tracking whether someone has given permission to receive texts. It's one less thing you have to worry about. Number six is the visual flow builder. Just like their email tools, the SMS builder is drag and drop. You can see your full workflow at a glance, add delays, filters, and test each step before going live. You don't need a background in marketing automation to make it work. It's one of the most user-friendly setups. Number seven is real-time reporting. You'll get clear insights on how your texts are performing, open rates, click-throughs, unsubscribes, and even how much revenue a single SMS brought in. This helps you optimize without guessing. Okay, now for getting started. If you are not already an Omnisend user, I've left our link down in the description below. Also, with our link, you actually can get 30% off for the first 3 months. So again, if you are going to sign up, make sure you use that link down below. Okay, so to get started, all you want to do is click Get Started for free, and you can create your Shopify store as well. Once you are in, as you can see, we've got the kind of dashboard over here. We've got goals, overview, live view. Then we have campaigns where you send single emails out, and then we've got automations, which we're going to talk about. There's also forms in here that you can set up with landing pages. Then we've got audience, so this is all your contacts, segments, customer breakdowns, etc., and then your reports as well. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to automation. We're going to create a workflow, and we can create one from scratch, or what we can do is use a pre-built automation workflow. So also over here, you can go ahead and filter. So if you want to just look at welcome sequences, maybe just cart abandonment, browse abandonment, post-purchase, special occasions, transactional, whatever it may be, they've got a ton of different automations. So let's go ahead and click on the abandoned checkout just to kind of look. So here you can see they've got the trigger filter to start the workflow after started checkout wasn't updated. So this just means they started their checkout but didn't finish. Then this first email will say there are items in your cart that can sell out fast, get them before they're gone, wait 11 hours, another email, your cart misses you, and then this is a text message, right? So hurry, your cart is about to expire, check your email for discount code and complete your order. Okay, and then wait 5 minutes and then another email. Okay, as you can see, we don't want to bombard them with a million text messages, or they're just going to opt out because it's going to feel super spammy. So integrate it with your workflow, right? So of course you can edit this to work for you. Maybe you think you want to make it a little bit more personal. Maybe you want to add the SMS to a welcome type of email flow. Okay, you want to make it work for you. Again, with the text messages, keep it short, friendly, and relevant. So another example is, hey, first name, notice you left something behind. Complete your order now and enjoy 10% off, right? You can insert merge tags like name or product title and can shorten links automatically inside here. Again, Omnisend just makes it super simple. We didn't even have to do much. If you want to create a workflow, we can also create one from scratch. So here we go. We can define how a person enters. So we'll select the event. As you can see, they've got added product to cart, clicked message. So maybe they added product to cart. Then you can add filters and you can add an audience filter, right? There's so many things that you can do with the actual trigger. Maybe started checkout, okay? And then the filter could be, a category name, a product name, whatever it may be. So again, maybe it started checkout and then the trigger and activity time. So start the workflow after the checkout was abandoned, right? You can do it 1 hour, you can do 2 hours, whatever it may be. And then maybe we want to add an email. We can customize it to whatever we would want. So, hey, notice you didn't finish your purchase, right? And then maybe we want to send a text message after that. See how it has reply stop to opt out. This is automatic, so they can have an out if they would like to. Again, you'll want to personalize the message, like add the first name. Don't forget about insert product, whatever it may be. Okay. Then as you can see, it says automatically shorten links and add unsubscribe options, right? Okay. So we can add that. Then maybe we want to add a time delay. Maybe this is 1 day. Okay. Update. And then maybe we want to add an email. Okay. So again, this is how you go ahead and create these workflows from scratch. Again, Omnisend makes it very, very simple and easy. All you have to do once you've added in all of your content is click start workflow and it will be live. Okay. There also are some other actions that you can take, like tagging a specific content once they enter a specific part of the workflow. You can do splits and A/B testing. Okay. There's so much you can do. And honestly, we didn't even need to start from scratch there. We could have used one of those templates like I showed you to make it even quicker. So let's talk about some best practices for SMS that converts without being annoying. So first off, you want to keep it short. You're not writing an email, stick to 1 to 2 sentences max. Be personal, use their name or reference what they did. Generic blasts definitely will not convert. Use your timing wisely. Don't text people at 6 a.m. or midnight. Omnisend handles time zones if you set it up right. Next is give value. If there is no discount, incentive, or reminder, ask yourself why you're even texting them in the first place. Also, do not send too often. Use SMS for key touch points, not every single promotion. Always include a way out. Reply, stop to unsubscribe should be in your footer or opt-in language. Again, as you saw, Omnisend actually just automatically adds that. You can unclick it, but I would highly recommend keeping it in. Now, here are a few bonus use cases. So SMS beyond abandoned cart. Once you're comfortable with basic SMS flows, you can expand into a few other high impact use cases, like a welcome series. After someone joins your list, send a quick thanks for signing up text with a discount code or something like an order confirmation. So follow up instantly when an order is placed. Customers love quick confirmation. Next is shipping updates. So keep buyers informed with real-time tracking texts. It reduced customer support requests. There's also flash sale announcements you could do. So great for loyal customers or VIPs. Just make sure you're not overdoing it. Then there's birthday offers. So add a personal touch with a small gift or code sent on their special day. You can create all of these using using the same drag and drop interface, and they work great when combined with your email flows for a consistent customer journey. Before we wrap up, I just wanted you to understand the different plans and pricing options. Like I mentioned, you can save 30% off if you use our code, which is linked down below. So they have a free plan, and you can send emails to your first 250 contacts, and it gives you essential email marketing features and 24/7 support. Then they've got a standard and pro plan. So the standard plan, if you use our link, you can actually pay for the first 3 months up front and save 30%. So it brings you from $16 a month to $11.20 per month, but you'll pay for the first 3 months in total. This goes up to 500 contacts, no Omnisend branding. You can try SMS marketing and 24/7 priority support. I do want to mention that as your list grows, so will the price per month. So just keep that in mind. Then they've got the pro plan, which is $41.30 per month if you pay the 3 months up front. If not, it's $59 per month. So this, you can reach up to 2,500 contacts, send unlimited emails and scale, no Omnisend branding, multiple channel marketing, advanced reporting, dedicated customer success manager, and personalized product recommender. So again, you can always start off with the free plan, see how you like it, go and play around. And then if you want to upgrade from there, you can do that too. So that wraps up this video. That's how you set up automated SMS inside Omnisend. And once it's running, it brings in extra sales with zero extra work. You don't need to be a marketing pro to make this work. Just write like a human, speak to one person at a time, and use the tools Omnisend gives you to keep it all organized. Again, if you want to check it out and start for free, we've got our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting the channel. It helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools, templates, and strategies to build an e-commerce business smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.